Dang.
This is the level that I made by myself. So you can bite yourself like this.
Yay. Oh my gosh.
Watch this. It pushes the thing right over here.
We completed the level.
I've actually completed this before. Do you want to replay it?
Mm-hmm.
Don't bump it. You already did bump it and you're sitting right there.
I told you.
I always watch out for that thing right there. Falls every 20 seconds.
What?
Yeah. Yay.
I'm going ahead and grab.
You press this button.
What? Okay.
And fly. Out, let go. Fly. Fly. Oh, want to see my pig out costume? Let go. Let go. I made it myself. And sometimes it's invincible to bombs. Let's see what's going on over here. Let go.
Oh!
Bunny! I love it! Ah!
Wasn't a very big bomb.
They get bigger, like over there, but we missed it.
Oh!
Bunny. Bunny. Bunny.
Oh!
Woohoo! This thing is my favorite, you know? You gotta know it. Woo! It shoots. Look out. It'll shoot you. Did it break? It's broken.
It's getting explodes.
It's broken. Oh,
Told you.
it didn't explode. It disappeared. That was not broken. Uh-oh.
Yeah, it is. Oh, you're right. Follow me. Oh. Oh. Zach, that was not broken. It's awesome.
Yay!
We're in it.